Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm just going to build a little table, and really all this table is for my PlayStation controllers, somewhere to put the charger on and charge the controllers, and also somewhere to put my VR headset. And that's all this table is going to be. It's going to be much in the theme of my entertainment center, as it's going to sit right next to the entertainment center. So really the tabletop is only going to be about 12 by 12, and it's going to stand about 19 inches off the ground. Everything's kind of downsized to the entertainment center that I built a few weeks ago, and I'll put a link in the description below for that. I've already got one side already glued up and ready to go. I'm just waiting on the glue to dry on this side. I'm going to build another one like that, and I'll show you how I'm putting that together. So this is the second assembly. It's ready to be glued up. On my entertainment center I did dowel joints. On this one I chose to use dominoes. I feel that it's a little faster, a little stronger, and it gives me a good excuse to go see a buddy of mine, Guy Dunlap at Guy's Woodshop. He was gracious enough to lend me a hand and let me use his Festool domino, and I am so grateful for that because it did make this go a whole lot easier. I'm using Type Bond 3 to give me a little bit more open time to put these dominoes in, and that gives me just enough time to get all the glue where I need it and also get the dominoes in place and get this thing squared up. These are 5mm dominoes, and they fit pretty snug. Put a couple clamps on here, and this piece will be ready for glue time or dry up. It's about as square as I can get it. So this rabbet is for the bottom shelf, and what I want to do with this shelf is it's going to sit in this rabbet right here, and it's going to come past the joint, and the front part of this will be a bullnose, but I do need to notch out around this, so I want to make sure I mark that on the piece and cut from that mark. So I just hand sawed this at the angle of this leg, which is 5 degrees, and now hopefully it fits, and it does look pretty good. Okay, now that I get the shelf cut to size and fit inside the dado, only thing left to do on the shelf is to do a bullnose here on the front, and then on the legs themselves I need to run a 1/8 inch round over on all the edges except for where the shelf meets. I don't want to go into that on the front or the back here, so I want to stop the 1/8 inch round over before I get to the shelf, and then just finish that off by hand. small little table, just big enough for what I want it to do, and it matches my entertainment center. Only thing left now is just a little bit of touch-up sanding and some shellac. Alright, so I got this little table done. I'm using it for my PlayStation accessories. I got my Move controllers and my regular controllers and my VR headset up here at the top. And it's mostly for display, plus it's somewhere to store this stuff. The whole theme is based off my TV stand that I did a few weeks ago. I'll put a link in the description at the end of the video. Go check it out because I really like that project. The bottom shelf will be mostly decorative, but if I want something in the future for PlayStation related, I can put that down here as well. I also 3D printed some clips that go on the back leg. That way when the charger cords for the two controller units, I can just fish those down the back leg and you don't see the wires. So really that's all I got for you this week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.